We only have 17 seconds left, so there are 5 more students to answer. So the correct answer is the yellow color one, and then we got 8 students got it correct. So let's see who are the winners for now. Oh, Alia is still on top. And welcome Mira, welcome the rest to the first 5, and then the others could try also. We can proceed to the next question and then try to win for your group, yeah? The third question is to solve the x using the simultaneous equation below. So there are 2 equations, you have to solve them to get the x. There are only 4 seconds left. Okay, the correct answer is the red one, but only 3 students got it correct. It's okay, maybe you need longer time to do it. Congratulations to Mira and the rest. So number 4 is to solve this index problem. most of you all get it correct. So good effort to all. And then it's okay for those who get it wrong, and then we will discuss it later in the solution. It's okay. Congrats to Mira and also Adam, Myra, Zira, and Alia. And then the rest, please try harder and then try to win for your group so that you all can have some gifts at the end of this program. Good job, everyone. So the fifth question is also the indices problem. It's quite similar to the previous question, but this time we got multiplication here. Yeah, everyone can just try, and then this is to solve the value for m. You should get the value for m. Time's up, and then the answer for m is 2. And some of you got it 5. It's okay. We will see how later. So the sixth question. Oh, for this you need to simplify this equation. There's still 1 minute left, and then for this you have to make them same base, then only you can solve. So the answer is 2 to the power of 5n plus 1. And then we got 6 students got it correct. Wow, congratulations, Vara. And then congrats to Adam, Zira, Aina, and also Mira. Good effort. And then the rest also, thank you for good for you to try. It's okay to get it wrong, and then we can learn from it later. So question 7, you have to express the following equation in the form of fx equals to this term. So you have to make the initial fx to become the form of a bracket x plus p to the power of 2 and then plus q. Okay, time's up. The answer is only one student got it correct. Maybe this question is a bit confusing and then it's also complicated. So it's okay. So we proceed to the question 8. For this, you have to find the range of the values of x if y is less than 6. So you have a condition here, y has to be less than 6. Time's up. And then the answer is x is bigger than -4. Congratulations, and then good try everyone. So now the question, you have to find the x also, and then given the condition x squared minus 4x minus 5 is greater than 0. So you will get two values for x because this is a quadratic equation. Alright, we got 8 students correct, most of you. Not most, maybe half. It's okay. And then we will see who is the winner for this time. Still Vara, congratulations. Which group you are from? The rest also. So now is the last question, and then if the expression b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, it shows the root of the equation is. This is a theory problem. You don't need calculation for this. Alright, time's up, and then we have done with our Kahoot. So the answer is two real and distinct roots. Okay, we will look for the winner. Who are the winners? So the third place, Adam, congratulations. And the second one is Vaira. And the wow, first place Mira, congratulations. And then the rest also good effort. Thank you for joining. And then we have our pop quiz after this. So do you guys need a break for 5 minutes or we can proceed to the pop quiz now?
Yes, yes.
Need a break?
Yes.
So we break for 5 minutes, alright?
Okay.
Can 5 minutes. Okay, see you back later. Okay, students, we will break for 5 minutes now, so we will resume on this explanation of the Kahoot at 9:19. Alright? everyone. Can we start again? Are you ready for the explanation session?
Yes.
Okay, so we will start now. I will explain every question, but if you don't understand, or maybe I'm speaking too fast, maybe you can just raise your voice and then to stop me, okay? So the first question, we have to check whether the equations below are linear or non-linear. So for the first one, xy equals to 4. And then the second one, x bracket, that one is also is equal to 1. But both of them are non-linear. So the first one, xy, because they are times together, so they are non-linear. And then for the second one, because x, when you times with the bracket, the terms inside the bracket, which is y minus 2x, you will get xy minus 2x squared equal to 1. And you have a power 2 there, so it is non-linear also. Is this okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So for the second question, you have to expand the following expressions. So this one you have to do the one in the bracket first. You have to expand the values inside the bracket, which are 2x minus 5. You have to times 2. So you not times 2. You have to make it power of 2. So you will get 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. And then this whole thing you have to times with the 2 outside. So you will get answer C, which is 8x squared minus 40x plus 50. This one's still okay, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we proceed to the next question, which is the third question. So you have to solve this question simultaneously, and then you have two equations given. The first one is x plus y equal to 3, and then the second one is x squared plus y squared equal to 29. Then to make your work easier, you can just simplify the equation 1. You get the y from equation 1. So after rearranging the equation, you will get y equal to 3 minus x. And then substitute, and then use this 3 minus x to replace your y, and then substitute into the second equation. So you will get x squared plus bracket 3 minus x squared and then equal to 29. So you expand the 3 minus x squared, you will get 9 minus 6x plus x squared. Then this 29 is initially is at the right hand side, right? And then you pindah ke tepi, pindah ke the left hand side, so you will get minus 29. So after simplifying this equation, you will get 2x squared minus 6x minus 20 equals to 0. And then you divide it by 2, you will get x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So you can simplify them, and then you can get the both values of x. One is because you have x minus 5 and x plus 2 equals to 0 now, so you can do them separately. X minus 5 equals to 0, so x become 5. Then x plus 2 equals to 0, so x will become negative 2. So the answer is A. And then for the fourth question, you have to solve the indices problem. So this one, you have to make them equal. You have to make their base equal to each other so that you can compare the power up there. So the base, one is 2, one is 8, right? And then 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. So now you have both same base, kan? You have 2 to the power of 3 and then bracket 2x. So this one, you times, you become 6x. So the whole equation now, it will become the left hand side, that one, it will become 2 to the power of 3x plus 1, and then the right hand side is the 2 to the power of 6x. So since their base are similar, then you can take them to compare. So you just take the upper side, the power, which is 3x plus 1 equals to 6x. So you can just solve them as the normal equation. 6x minus 3x equal to 1, and then 3x equal to 1, so x become 1 over 3. So the answer is A. Alright? And then we proceed to the fifth question. This one also, you have to make them same base to do, then only you can times them together, multiply them. So this is to solve the equation 2 to the power of m minus 2 and then times 16m equal to 256. So for them, they have a similarity which you can make their base all equal to 2. So for 16, it's actually equal to 2 to the power of 4. And for 265, it's equal to 2 to the power of 8. So actually, you can make them same base already, which are all in base 2. Then you can just compare their power. You just take the upper side and then you do the equation for them. So after taking the upper side, you will get m minus 2. And then multiply here because you have same base. So the multiply, you don't need to multiply them for the power. You just plus them together. So you will get m minus 2 plus 4m. And then equals to 8. So m plus 4m equal to 5m minus 2 equal to 8. So your 5m equal to 8 plus 2 because you pindah the 2 ke right hand side, so you will get 10. So divide by 5, you will get m equal to 2. Am I too fast?
No.
No.
Really good. Okay. And then the sixth question, question 6. This one also same with the one tadi lah. I think you have to make them same base also. And then 4 years equal to 2 to the power of 2. So they equal to 2 square, right? So bracket 2n minus 1. And then because you times here, tapi for the power, you don't need to multiply them. You just need to add them together for multiplication. And then kalau the middle thing is divide, then you just minus them. So now you have all same base in 2. So you take the power and then do the normal equation. You just do 4n minus 2 plus n plus 3. So you will get 5n plus 1. Sebab you minus 2 plus 3, so you will get 1. So the answer after simplifying, you will get 2 to the power of 5n plus 1. So the answer is C. And then for the question 7, for this one you have to, you are given fx equal to negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 14. Tapi you have to make them become the form of fx equal to a, then bracket x plus p square minus plus q. So for this kind of question, you have to do completing the square. So for firstly, you have to take out the negative 2 so that your inside you left with the bracket x squared minus 4x plus 7. Because if you time them together, you will get the upper side punya equation juga. You will get negative 2x, and then kalau negative 2 times with negative 4, you will get plus 8. And then for the negative 2 times with 7, you will get negative 14. So this is just like taking out the negative 2 outside. And then for the inside, and then after that, the thing left inside the bracket, you can do completing the square. So you x squared minus 4x will remain, and then we plus negative 4 over 2 square, and then minus negative 4 over 2 square. Because when you add something, then you have to minus the same thing, and then you plus with 7. So you take the square, you jadikan x minus 2 square, and then minus 4 plus 7. Do you all know where this minus 4 plus 7 come from? You guys understand where this come from? So you will get, okay,
Yes,
so you will
yes,
get 3.
yes.
Then finally you will get negative 2 x minus 2 square minus 6. So the answer is A. And then for question 8, for this one, you have to solve this equation, then you have to make sure the y is less than 6. And then you have to get the x. So firstly, we do 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Then we solve for y. Y equals to 12 minus 3x divided by 4. So your y, now you have a condition, you have to less than 6. So your y equals to 12 minus 3x over 4, right? Then this whole term, you have to become less than 6. So 12 minus 3x will less than 24 because 6 times 4 is 24. So negative 3x will become 24 divided by 12 equals to 12 juga. I think there's a mistake here. Oh, no, I think I made a mistake. Negative 3x equals to 24 minus 12. So become 12 juga. And then x squared, x now will become negative 4. But because the negative is at the left-hand side, you sekarang have to pindah it to the right-hand side. So the sign will change also. When you move a negative thing to the right-hand side, then you have to change the sign also. So if it's less than, initially it is, if it's less than, then now it will become greater than. So the answer is D. Okay, then we proceed to the last second question. For this, you have to solve x squared minus 4x minus 5 greater than 0. And then just take them, just do it like how you solve the quadratic equation. And then you will get x minus 5 greater than 0. So your x will become greater than 5. And then for the second term in the bracket, you will do it like x plus 1 greater than 0. So your x now is become negative 1. And also because you change the sign, so it becomes less than, because you move the negative to the, it becomes negative at the right hand side. And then for question 10 is the theory problem. When you get b squared minus 4ac greater than 0, you have two real and distinct roots. When it's equal to 0, you will get two real and equal roots. When it's less than 0, that means you have no real roots. And then when it is greater or equal to 0, means the roots are real. So the answer is D for last question. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so we are now done with the Kahoot questions, and then we have pop quiz. For pop quiz, we only have 4 questions, and then after that, I will explain them also, then we can end this session. So now please join the pop quiz. Enter this game pin 477302. Okay, we have also sent the link in for the pop quiz inside the WhatsApp group, so you may check it inside the WhatsApp group and then join the quiz using the game pin 477302. Okay, so there are 14 students already. Is there anyone still trying to join? If no, then we can start. Okay, I think no, right? Then we can start the pop quiz now. Okay, are you ready? Okay, guys, time's up. Congratulations, Waira again, and then Mira, Aina, congratulations. So you have win something for your group. So the rest also good try, and then we can now discuss how to solve the solution, how to solve the problem, the solution. If you got any problem, please tell me, and then we will now proceed to the explanation. Okay, I think we can start now. Okay, so the first question is you have to rationalize the denominators. So you have to get rid of the, because you are given a term 2 over square root of 3. So you have to get rid of the square root. So by doing the multiplication, you can get rid of the square root. You times with square root of 3 over square root of 3. So the denominator now will become 3, and then the upper side will become the 2 times with square root of 3. So this problem, this question, do you have any problem?
No.
No.
Okay, right. Okay, right. And then we can, okay, then we can proceed to the second question. So this question also you have to simplify the expressions by rationalizing the denominators using conjugate search. So this one, the denominator, it got 2 plus negative 2 plus square root of 3. So you have to times with 2 minus square root of 3, then the 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 minus square root of 3, then the denominator you will get 2 square minus bracket square root of 3. So this is like you bracket 2 plus square root of 3, then times with bracket 2 minus square root of 3. So you can get 4 minus 3 at the denominator, then upper side you will get 5 multiplied with bracket 2 minus square root of 3. So the denominator, because 4 minus 3 it become 1, so you only get 5 bracket 2 minus square root of 3 at the end. So you can now get rid of your denominator already. Is this okay?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then next question. So you are given P equals to 1 over 3 minus square root of 2, and then Q equals to 1 over 3 plus square root of 2. Then now you have to do P plus Q, but you have to do the same. You have to rationalize the denominators, means you don't want the square root there already. So you plus them together, you add them together first. 1 over 3 minus square root of 2 plus 1 over 3 plus square root of 2. So this is a P, and then plus with the Q. Then you will get 3 plus square root of 2 over 3 minus square root of 2, then times with 3 plus square root of 2. Because you have to make the denominator to the same term, which is 3, you have to make them the same. So you have to times with each other's denominator. Then you will get 3 square minus square root of 2 square at the bottom, and then the upper side you will get 3 plus square root of 2 plus 3 minus square root of 2. Because you times them already, then you add them up, then the denominator you will get 9 minus 2, which is 7, and then the upper side, because 3 plus 3 is 6, then square root of 2 minus square root of 2 you will get 0. So the answer is 6 over 7. Okay, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Then for the last question. So last question, solve the equation. This is the index question also. You will have 5x squared minus 25, 6 to the 25 to the power of 6 minus 2x, then equals to 0. So like some of the questions in the Kahoot just now, you have to make them same base. To do them, only you can compare the power. So 5x squared equals to 25, 6 minus 2x. But 25, you know you can make it to 5 to the power 5 square, right? So now your base is the same. They are both 5. So their upper side you can compare. X squared equals to 12 minus 4x. So you simplify the equation, you will get x plus 6 then times with x minus 2 equals to 0. So your x will become negative 6 or x will become positive 2. Okay guys, do you have any problem?
No.
No.
Alright. Okay. So I think this is the end of our active learning for today. Thank you everyone for participating, and then congratulations to the winners, and then good effort to everyone. We will hope to see you in the next, which is also the last active learning session. And then for this Sunday, we have our last lecture section with Mr. Alex, which will teach about logarithms. So hope to see you all there. And then if you are not clear about today's active learning session, you can ask your facies or you can ask me also in the WhatsApp group. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you everyone for joining.
Yes.
Hope you all
Thank you.
learned something from this active learning session.
Thank
Okay, welcome.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
welcome.
Welcome.
Bye.
Thank you.